Hi, everyone. It's Ellen Jancko-Baken from Fredman, Bacon, and Novenstern in White Plains, matrimonial attorney again. Last time we talked about one of the two most important decisions you need to make when considering divorce or when you've been notified that your spouse is considering divorce, and that was how to find an attorney and what to expect in your first consultation. Today, I'd like to focus on the choice of process that you have to make. Meaning there are options. There are some people, for example, that have very amicable divorces and they're able to sit at a kitchen table and hash out their terms, and they come to me and ask me to simply prepare a divorce agreement, and that's fine. There are some people that choose mediation, collaboration, or just hire me to traditionally negotiate, and if that falls apart, to go to court. The next time we're together, I am going to go into each of those processes and explain to you how they work and what you can expect from them. But for today, I wanted to talk to you about that choosing your process has an impact, such as the level of conflict you can expect to experience, the amount of money you will spend, the modeling of conflict up or down for your children, the ability to protect your children from being in the middle of that conflict, who gets to control the resolution of the issues, what your future relationships will look like with your family and your soon-to-be ex-spouse. So it's a very important decision. And the things you need to consider when choosing a process are, for example, what is your spouse willing to do? What are you willing to do in terms of whether or not you're both willing to commit to a voluntary process such as mediation or collaboration as opposed to seeking court intervention? You should be thinking about what your values are. You need to acknowledge if there's domestic violence going on in the home. Do either you or your spouse have any dependency issues like alcohol dependency or drug dependency, because that will impact what process you can choose. And finally, most importantly, is how much control do you want over the outcome of the resolution of your issues? There will also be legal considerations that come into play, so that you would want to talk to me about that, such as, are you concerned that your spouse is hiding money? Are you coming into some big amount of money that you feel you need to make separate property, have a cutoff date, which again, we're going to talk to. So I'm going to stop here because I don't want to shortchange the meaning of each of those processes and a description of them. And I will begin to talk about each of those the next time we're together. So again, it was great being with you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.